Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 2x power 10 plus x power 10 equal 27 power 7 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take this x power 10 as common, so it becomes 2 plus 1 equal 27 power 7. Now x power 10 times 3 equal 27 power 7. So if I'll divide both sides by 3, so it will cancel out. So x power 10 equal 27. I can write it as 3 power 3 whole power 7 by 3. Now as per exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n. So if we can write this as x power 10 equal 3 power 21 by 3 power 1. Now another exponent rule, x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So x power 10 equal 3 power 21 minus 1. So x power 10 equal 3 power 20. Now if I multiply in power 1 by 10 both sides, so it will cancel out. So x is equals to 3 power 20 by 10 which will cancel out. So x is equals to 3 square which is 9. So what is the value of x? 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.